Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the time capsule where Wi-Fi coverage matters most, then plug it in. Power sequencing matters, so wait 30 to 60 seconds for boot. Once the LED shows amber or green, connect an Ethernet cable from your modem to the time capsule's WAN port to give it internet access. You do this to ensure firmware updates and initial setup download correctly. After that, open Airport Utility on your Mac or iOS device. Make sure Wi-Fi is on so the accessory appears in the app. With Airport Utility open, select the time capsule and tap Edit. This is where you name the base station and choose the network mode. You should pick a descriptive SSID, set security to WPA2 personal, and create a strong password so devices connect securely. Then choose whether the time capsule will provide DHCP or use a router's existing assignments. Pick what matches your home network. Once done, enable automatic firmware updates. Assign the internal disk for Time Machine backups, and save settings. Now set up backups on your Mac by opening Time Machine Preferences, selecting the Time Capsule disk, and turning on Automatic Backups. You'll see the first backup start, which can take hours depending on size, so use Ethernet for a faster initial transfer. Once backups run, confirm scheduled snapshots and check available disk space. If clients can't see the device, reboot your Mac, router, and time capsule. Then reopen Airport Utility to verify IP and wireless settings. If problems persist, perform a soft reset first, then a factory reset as a last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.